Here's the good news for you guys. 2026 is the best time ever to start learning AI. The tools are easier. The demand for AI skill is at all time high here, and companies across India and the world are actively looking for people who understand this field. So in this video, I will give you a simple, clear step-by-step plan. No confusing word, no unnecessary theory, just exact path you need to follow. Let's get started. The first mistake most beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. So AI is a very big field: computer vision, natural language processing, deep learning, generative AI. You cannot study all of it together, right? So here is the plan we will follow. Think of it as a four simple phase. Phase one, learn Python and basic maths. Phase two, learn how machine learning works. And phase three, learn deep learning. Phase 4 is specialize in one area you enjoy. So give yourself around 6 months of time. Go at your own pace. This is not a race. The goal is to understand things properly, not to rush through them. Okay. So let's talk about the phase one first. Phase one is all about building your foundation. The two things you need here are Python and basic maths. Python is the main programming language used in AI. Almost every AI tool, every company, every project uses Python. So if you are new to coding, start here itself. So you need to learn three Python tools first of all here. First NumPy, which help you work with the numbers and data. And second one is pandas, which help you work with the tables and data set. And if I'll talk about the third one is a matplotlib, which help you draw charts and graphs. Give this to 2 to 3 weeks of time, 3 weeks of practice for math for this. But if we'll talk about the for maths, you only need three basic topics. First is linear algebra, working with the rows and columns of numbers. Basic calculus, understanding how things changes, especially slopes. Statistics, mean, average, probability, that is all. You do not need to be a math expert here, right? Let's talk about the phase two now. Phase two is where machine learning really begins. And this is where the things start to get existing, right? So machine learning means teaching a computer to learn from data without you writing rules for every single situation. For example, you can take an example like instead of telling a computer if the email says win free money, it is a spam, you should it thousands of email and it learns the pattern by itself. The four most important algorithms to learn here at this stage are: first one is linear regression, that used to predict numbers, like predicting someone's salary. Logistic regression, used to predict yes or no answers, like will a customer buy or not. Third one is you have a decision tree. The computer makes decisions like a flow chart. Fourth one is clustering, grouping the similar things together automatically. The best way here to learn these is by building small projects, right? Write code, make mistakes, fix them, then write more code. Hands-on practice is the only thing that truly works in this field. Okay, let's discuss about the phase three now. So phase three is nothing but is a deep learning. That is the technology behind things like a face recognition, voice assistant, and self-driving car. A neural network is the main idea behind deep learning. Think of it like the human brain. It has a billions of connected cells called neurons. A neural network is a computer program that works in a similar way. You should it millions of example. You show millions of example here, and it learns to recognize patterns. At this stage, what happens? You will learn to build neural networks using Python. You will understand how they learn from data, how they make mistake, and how they correct themselves. So this process is called a training a model. Your practice project for this phase, collect photos of two different things. You can collect fruits photos, pickle photos, anything you like. Okay. And train a model to tell them apart automatically. So when your model correctly identifies an image it has never seen before, that is genuinely exciting moments for you. Exciting moment for you. So, and that project goes straight onto your portfolio. Yeah. So let's discuss about the step 5 now. That is learn about AI and language model. Maybe you heard. Now comes the most important skills nowadays of 2026. That is large language model and or you can say LLMs. So these are the AI system that power tools like you can say ChatGPT and other AI assistant you may already by using. As someone entering this field, you need to understand a few key ideas here. What is token? It is simply a small piece of text, one word or a part of word. What is the embedding here? It is we will discuss about embedding. So it is how computer stores the meaning of words as number. What is fine tuning? It means taking an existing project, existing AI models and training it further for a specific task. You also need to learn about something like RAG, or you can say RAG. That is nothing but retrieval augmented generation. The idea is simple here. You connect an AI model to your own documents or data so it can answer questions about them. This skills is in very high demand right now in the industry. Build some, you can do one thing, build some project like a basic chatbots, a answering tools, a document summarizer. These kind of projects are exactly what employers are looking for today. Okay, so let's talk about the step 6 where build project and you will get hired. Yes, this is the last step and this is very important. Build a portfolio. A portfolio is nothing but your collection of your project that shows employers what you can do here. So by the end of your learning journey, you should have at least 3 completed projects. Each project should be very clearly explained what problem it solves, what data you used, what results you got. Put your projects on GitHub so anyone can see your work. For job roles, good option for beginners are machine learning engineers, data scientist, AI engineer, and MLOps engineer. There are also newer roles becoming very popular right now. That is AI product manager, prompt engineer, and AI analyst. These roles are less competitive and still pay very well. One final tip is here, be active online, share your work, share your projects on LinkedIn, connect with other learners, ask questions in the communities. The more visible you are, the more opportunity will come to you. Okay, so let's do a quick recap now. Phase 1 is nothing but Python and basic math you will. Phase 2 is machine learning algorithm. Phase 3 is deep learning and neural networks. Phase 4, LLMs, or you can say large language models and generative AI. And finally, build project and get visible. So my most important advice you to here is this: just to start today itself. You will make mistakes. You will feel confused sometime. That is completely normal. Every expert you see today was once a beginner who felt exactly the same way. If you want a structured path to learn all of this, with guidance, mentorship, and real industry projects. You can uh, upgrad has a program designed exactly for you. Check the link in the description below. Tell me in the comments, are you a complete beginner? Do you have some coding experience? Are you switching from different fields? I would love to hear from you. If this video was helpful, please like it, subscribe to the upgrade channel for more videos like this every week. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.